All right, so for math today, we're going to be describing equal parts of a whole. Right now, in just a second here, you're going to be able to see my screen, and I'm going to show you a little bit about how we can describe equal parts of a whole. Here we go. All right, let's take a look. Sometimes what they do is they can write it like this. They're going to say 1 out of 2. Notice that we have two parts here. When they say 1 out of 2, what they want you to do is they want you to shade only one part out of two whole parts. Notice this is part 1 and this is part 2. Sometimes what they call this is a fraction. So what you see down here is actually a fraction. It says 1 out of 2 whole parts. Notice this. We only shaded 1 out of the 2 parts. Let's try the next one. I'm going to use a different color. I'm going to go with red. Let's see, 3 out of 4. If it says 3 out of 4, how many parts do you think we would shade out of the 4? 3, right? So it would be 1, 2, 3. Another way to write it is a fraction. It says 3 parts have been colored in out of 4. Let's take a look at the next one. 2 out of 4. I would color in how many parts? 2. So 1, 2. That is 2 out of 4. They also wrote it in a fraction form. That is 2/4. So in just a second here, what you're going to see is the assignment that you're going to do. The game is also on classwork, and this is how it goes. It says, fractions don't stump me game. They have a fraction for you here, so let's take a look at it. It is 1 out of 2 parts. What they want you to do is they want you to drag which one shows 1 out of 2 parts. Well, I know that I need to shade only one part out of 2 parts. This one matches because it is 1 out of 2 parts. All I did was I dragged. Let's take a look at the second one. This one says 1 out of 4 parts. So how many need to be shaded? Only 1. This is not only 1 out of 4 parts. This is out of 3 parts. Right here. Only 1 out of 4 parts has been shaded. So I'm going to drag it. You have about, I believe, 30 questions to go through to see if you can figure out parts describing equal parts of a whole. If you have any questions, I'm online. I'd be happy to help you.